Welcome back, family. It's Makisha Stiles here, aka Kish, and once again, I will be your host for today. So the topic for today is Forex hard for beginners? Because a lot of time we start into it, you're like, man, okay, I heard it's hard, I heard it's easy, I heard it's hard, I heard it's easy. Which one is it? But I need to know, is it really hard for beginners? So actually, when you come to figure out if it's hard for beginners, just know exactly why most people come to trading Forex, okay, and just narrow it down that way. So why exactly should you choose Forex? Okay, for one, it provides an opportunity for everyone. If it provides an opportunity for everyone, no matter your background, no matter your color, no matter your degree level, non-degree, it does not matter. It provides the opportunity. So I think Forex might be pretty cool, right? And then next, it provides a low entry. So you don't have to come here being a millionaire or a trillionaire or whatever it is, right? You don't have to come into the Forex market being that. So that makes it a little beginner friendly for you. And then next, it's user friendly. So especially when you have the right mentorship, okay, you have the right trainings, it's very user friendly for you because now you have someone with you showing you exactly what to do. And of course, we know the last one, it is very lucrative. So is it really hard? I wouldn't say. It just all depends upon you and the mentorship that you have. That's what sometimes makes it hard, because you come into it trying to do it yourself. And when you're coming to anything new, doing it yourself, it's gonna be a little hard, okay? So how do you actually get started? You know, I love to give you the steps. So how do you get started? It's simple. It's simple. So don't overcomplicate it when it comes to learning how to trade Forex and knowing if it's hard, if it's easy. Just know it's simple to get started. For one, just make sure you get educated. Okay, utilize a simple platform. So find your educational platform, find professionals. I said in every video, find professionals that's going to provide the training for you. Okay, don't do this alone. You don't have to. Many of us have already done it. So why reinvent the wheel, right? It's already done. So just do exactly what we're doing. You want to make sure that you download a free app called MetaTrader 4. Okay, free app called MetaTrader 4. That's what we utilize to enter into the markets. Next, you're going to go ahead and make sure that you open up a demo account. Remember, you want to practice over and over again. And then you want to go ahead and learn, okay? Because you're practicing, you want to learn too. So how do you learn? By starting to develop a strategy or find a strategy that works best for you. So when you're following different educational platforms and different professionals, you're going to notice different ones provide different strategies. Now, all the strategies work. You just have to figure out which one works for you and the type of trader that you are. So remember, another video, we go over different types of traders. And then once you learn it, you want to go ahead and open up your live account and make the minimum deposit. With some brokers, you can actually get started with as little as $10. But just know, if you go into your live account with $10, spoke about this on a previous video, don't expect to be a millionaire overnight. If you're doing at least $10, you want to make sure that you're just slowly building it. That's all. Find your broker that does nano sizes and just slowly build. Just don't expect with a $10 account to come in and be a millionaire. Okay? So you want to make sure we keep it realistic. So, I love it. I love to make sure I always tell you exactly where to go. And where I'm going to tell you where to go is one of the best educational platforms that I found. Okay? If you don't know this, you haven't been following my videos, I'm a researcher. I love to research. Prior military is what I love to do. That's actually one of my backgrounds. All right. So one of the best educational platforms that I found, in my opinion, okay, is xtreamfxglobal Academy. Why? Because they give me that classroom feel. Okay. I don't know about you. You might not like school. I was kind of like a nerd. I kind of like school, but I like the fact that it's not overpowering, where I don't feel like I can't speak up and ask my question when I'm inside classrooms virtually. Okay, that's the good part about virtual classes. Now you don't have to be afraid, because now it's a very intimate classroom feel. The educators are really there for you, and I like the fact that they actually, when you have a question, they answer your question. So it doesn't matter if you think it's a small question because you're new, but they actually answer your question, and they're very patient with all our new members. So I love that. And then of course we have live education. So now I'm able to trade live with the professionals. You hear me say professionals all the time. I'm able to trade live with professionals. So now they're showing me why we're entering trades. They're showing me different strategies, and I'm deciding which one I want to use. And then they have everything is recorded, because a lot of times people work. A lot of times you might have something going on. So everything is recorded. So that was a major plus for me. And the ultimate plus when I first got started was being able to copy and paste trades from professionals. So while I'm learning, I'm in the classroom learning, I'm online learning, right? I'm in the classes, I'm watching recorded classes, I'm learning. I don't have to worry about, okay, let me go ahead and see if I can earn too at the same time, because now I'm splitting focus. I don't want to do that. I want to instead follow the professionals. They provide the trades. I copy the trades, go about my day, and now I'm able to focus on learning. So when I'm ready, then now I have my strategy together, then I can start entering my own trades. But in the meantime, earning and learning by utilizing copy and paste trades. Okay, so that is the lesson for today. So is Forex trading hard if you're doing it by yourself? Yes. If you have a community that's willing to help you, then no, it's not hard at all. Okay, it's totally dependent upon you. So make sure you research whether it's our XtreamFX Global Academy or not. Research a platform, get involved in it, and just get started. Okay, guys, it's not hard. It's just if you're doing it by yourself, it might be difficult. All right, so that is all for today. If you're interested in learning more about XtreamFX Global Academy, you can always reach me. My description, my phone number is in the description of this video. And I'm looking forward to seeing you all within our academy, and everyone else. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next class. It's been Makisha Stiles, aka Kish, and I will see you all on the next video.